This is our dark brown Olivia deer. Now these you care for with a dark brown Tricker's polish. After a few wears, just put a little bit of polish on your sponge or a cloth, wipe over them. Just a smear. With your brush, just brush up. To bring the sheen back. Also with a cloth, if you've got no brushes at home, just wop over with a bit of cloth. Any cloth will do. If you've got a natural welt, do not use a dark brown polish. Please use the neutral polish because the welt is not treated. So that means it's a raw, and if you get any polish on the welt around this area, it will stain